So let's get started with the free training along with the case study. My name is Syed and I'm dental marketing strategist. So let me reveal the secret strategy and the training along with the case study, what exactly you need to follow for your dental clinic to grow. Here we go. So let me just quickly share my screen and here we go. So first of all, what exactly you need to understand is like I'm going to tell you the three-step approach. The first is the design the right marketing hook, and that's where the most of the dentist makes mistake. They just invest heavily in the digital presence or even very expensive website which actually they don't need it. So what they need is to design the right marketing hook which can capture the attention of their patients almost instantly and then drive the automated online bookings on an autopilot mode. So let me show you with example in the case study that we have worked with a handful number of dentists, and that is based on the real experience that we have got. So like if you are specializing on teeth whitening services alone, then you have to design the landing page and then along with the core marketing offer or core hook that you want to provide to your patients, right? So as you can see, let me just zoom in, right? So as you can see it, this particular landing page, or you can call sales page, or a lead generation page, is focused on 50% of teeth whitening services, right? And it captures the detail, right? And that's what how it looks like. So this like one of the example, one of the case study. This is another one, like free dental implant assessment for a limited time, right? So basically you actually hook them with the offer and the scarcity. You generate this scarcity among your target patients, and then you hook them up and get their contact detail, and then that when you get the patient information, how to contact them and how to schedule the appointments, right? The next one is you need to know about is how you can get found, be discoverable when your patient needs you the most, right? So you need to make sure that after designing the right marketing hook and also having the right sales page or a landing page, you need to get found and be discoverable whenever your patients are searching for you, or whenever your patients needs you the most, right? So there are two ways you can actually get found and be discoverable on Google search or using Facebook, Instagram. Let's take a look of to start with on the Google search. So let's say you're specializing in teeth straightening services, and you can just put up your number, your sales page, and then you can write down, okay, get this smile you love, and all those very effective copywriting that you can actually do it. As soon as people click on it, they will direct to the that marketing hook, that sales page which you'll be having, and then straight away they can become your leads, your basically targeted patients, basically, right? The second is specialize in cosmetic dentistry. So this is one of the UK based cosmetic dentistry we have worked with. So we have clearly highlighted their specialized area in dentistry. So their specialized area was like cosmetic dentistry, and we've clearly written like, okay, dentistry exam, and with $0 consultation, and for new patient, all those whatever their specialization is, and we've highlighted their cosmetic dentistry services. This is the third one, where one of the dentists specialized in general dentistry based out of Redwood, California. So we have written like Redwood city family dentists come to Smile Draft Dental, and all those specialized area that they do, along with their dental clinic address. And as soon as they click on it, they go to the specialized landing page that we've designed the right marketing hook, as I said. And as soon as they enter those information, they immediately get called by the receptionist. That's how the whole thing works. And let me just tell you about like how it works on the Facebook and Instagram, right? How, what kind of marketing offers that you need to design on the Facebook and Instagram. The strategy has to be very like very targeted and very creatively. So as you can see, like one of our client works on, again, like the the teeth whitening services and offering the free Invisalign. So we promoted that offer basically across Facebook and Instagram, right? In the target region of that particular dentist, right? So as you can see it like this, one of the ad, and we have clearly focus on like free Invisalign consultation with 5-star clinic in London. Click to claim pound 1,000 voucher to redeem on any Invisalign package for limited time only. And as soon as they click on it, we actually send them to the marketing hook that we have designed, and from there we captured the patient's information. There's the another case study which we have done with free teeth whitening with Invisalign, which was pretty successful, right? Like we have generated over like 3,000 leads for this particular campaign alone, and we've generated over 10 to 20% conversion out of that total leads that we've generated for them, right? So that's an incredible case study that we've generated. And the strategy was like we focus only on a specialized services of that particular dentist, right? So it is important to find out like which specialized area, and then we market them, and then we get you the most of the patients out of uh, uh, are the population that you are actually serving in that particular local region, right? So this again, like providing free teeth whitening services, and then all those checkups. So this was like, and then another offer that we've designed. This is the third one where we were educating the patients on Invisalign and generating the need of it in that local region. There's another one where they specialize in general dental pain, right? So as you could read out the copywriting right here on the ad itself. Don't wait for dental pain to get worse. Our clinic is open right now to offer pain relief for dental issues, including wisdom teeth, toothache, and lost or chipped tooth. So very targeted copywriting along with the creatives to basically generate the interest in your dental clinic and pass it on those information right there in your marketing dashboard, so your receptionists can follow up with them and schedule the appointments, right? So these kind of real case study that we've generated for our clients and generated over thousands of potential and targeted patients for each dentist that we have worked with, right? Then the third step is that by following these two step, and the third step is attracting new patients 24/7, which means you will be given a Google sheet where all your leads, all your patients will be updated on a real time for scheduling the appointments, right? So right after designing the marketing hook, the landing page is in a step number one. We will be running the Facebook, Google ads, Instagram ads as I have shown you the case studies, and they will register their information, and those will come and update and automatically update in the Google sheet, and your receptionist will actually call them up and then schedule the appointments with them, right? So this is the 3-step strategy which every dentist needs to use to drive automated patient appointment on an autopilot mode, right? And this is what we have been helping with handful number of dentists, and help and basically helping them to keep them busy basically at all times. So you don't need to depend on the referrals, or you don't need to invest huge amount of money in expensive digital presence or having a website, right? So just follow this 3-step approach, and you will have an enough number of patients in your dental clinic, and you'll just keep serving around the clock, right? So thank you so much, and I look forward to meet you soon. You have the calendar link available to book a consultation call with me. We can have one-to-one strategy and a discovery call where we can get to know more about you and how we can help you to drive more patients online and an autopilot mode. And since we specialize in this, we really understand the the patient journey, how patient searches, what kind of different keywords, or what, or basically what actually makes them decide to actually book an appointment with the specific dentist. So we know the exact the patient journey to book an appointment with the dentist. So we can certainly help you with that and help you to achieve your revenue goal that you have in mind. Thank you so much.